Hello, and welcome to the series of our guideline videos for healthcare professionals. In this video, we are going to discuss some repetitive queries by healthcare professionals regarding the confusion while transferring DHA Eligibility Letter to MOH Evaluation Certificate, or HAAD, which is DOH. Let's explore the possible reasons behind this conversion and find out the difference in between DHA Eligibility Letter and DHA License, complete transfer process, major requirements for this conversion, step-by-step guidelines for the whole process, estimated cost, as well as ability to work under DHA Health Ministry after the transfer process. In the end, we will find out if we can convert DHA Eligibility Letter to HAAD or DOH, which is Department of Health, Abu Dhabi. This is Dr. Mohammed from Interface Medical Education, and I will try to answer all these queries in detail. So, keep watching this video till the end. I am sure that you will be able to get rid of this confusion after watching this complete video. Before starting this video, we would also like to invite you to watch many of our videos, made for healthcare professionals. I will request you guys to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, to enjoy more of such informative videos in future, and of course, if you like this video then, do not hesitate to hit the like button, and send us your valuable comments. But first, if you are a medical professional, who has not applied for DHA Prometric exam, and has not initiated DataFlow process yet, then we have a separate guideline video for you. We have provided this video link here, as well as in the description section. If otherwise, then you can keep watching this video. So, let's get started now. As you may already know that Dubai Health Authority, DHA, issues eligibility letter once you have successfully passed DHA exam and completed DataFlow PSV. This letter is converted into a healthcare license when applied by your employer on your behalf. If you are unable to get a job within 1 year of issuing eligibility letter, then you will be required to renew it without appearing in exam again. However, you have to complete renewal process and pay its renewal fee. Due to recent job saturation for fresh healthcare workers in Dubai, it's getting tough to find a reasonable job, even after passing DHA exam. Therefore, it is widely advised to convert your DHA eligibility letter into MOH Evaluation Certificate to broaden your job search to 5 emirates, namely Sharjah, Ajman, Amel Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah, instead of Dubai only. DHA eligibility letter acknowledges that the candidate has successfully passed DHA, Dubai Health Authority Prometric exam but has not secured a job under DHA controlled health facilities yet. Whereas, DHA license is official permit given to the healthcare professional after securing a job under the DHA controlled health facilities, which is applied by the employer on your behalf, to keep a medical practice in the employed health facility, which could be an emirate of Dubai, as well as in Dubai healthcare city free zones. For healthcare professionals, while converting DHA eligibility letter to MOH Evaluation Certificate, one must consider the following major requirements, like, if eligibility letter is older than 6 months, then can't be converted into MOH Evaluation Certificate. After passing 6 months, you need to get experience certificate from the concerned health facility or hospital. While converting from DHA to DOH Abu Dhabi, you must have at least 3 months experience with DHA before applying for transfer. All documents submitted by DataFlow must be checked and the result of the report must be positive before transferring your DataFlow report to MOH from DHA. Simply visit MOHAP website. Click at Individual Services. From here, look for Healthcare Professionals Evaluation or Second Medical Title option. You can view more information about this service from here, or directly apply for service through clicking at Start Service link. If you have already registered, then simply enter your login details, select Customer and Account Type and click at Login button. Otherwise, you can sign up using UAE Pass option. For details regarding UAE Pass, kindly visit our detailed video link here as well as in the description. If you find yourself ineligible to sign up via UAE Pass, then sign up through providing required details like this. Click at Create New Account button. Once successfully submitted, then an account activation email will be sent at your email address. Now, simply log in to your account. At User Management page, click at the Evaluation Service. At the Evaluation page, please choose the new Evaluation Application Plan and click Next button. For the rest of the process, kindly refer to our MOH Guideline video, especially the part covering how to complete MOH exam data flow process, step-by-step guideline. We have provided the link here, as well as in the description section. You will be asked to upload your eligibility letter after completing payment process. The total registration cost may vary from 250 to 500 Arab Emirate dirham. Yes, you can. Kindly understand, as long as your DHA eligibility letter is only converted into MOH evaluation certificate, and no job has been secured yet, then you have good chances to seek a job at Emirates under both health ministries. But, once your DHA eligibility letter or MOH evaluation certificate is converted into license, after securing a job in any emirate, and finally converting it into health license under any health ministry, then your DHA eligibility letter or MOH evaluation certificate will not be of much use. Now, you will be able to transfer your existing health license into some other health ministry license in UAE, to be able to work there. A single license entitles you to work with a single activated license. To be able to work under more than one health ministries in UAE, you will be required to pass their relevant exams, enabling you to hold more than one health licenses at a time in UAE. Kindly bear in mind, if your DHA eligibility letter is converted into MOH evaluation certificate, and finally after securing a job under MOH, and securing a MOH license, then you won't be able to work in Dubai unless transfer your MOH license into DHA license. Kindly watch our separate guideline video covering this MOH license transfer as well as other important details. A link is provided here, as well as in the description section. Yes, you can. But for that, you need to successfully pass HAAD, or DOH, Department of Health Abu Dhabi exam. For complete guideline video for HAAD, or DOH exam, kindly visit the link here, or in the description section. That's all from us. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for you and will clarify many of your questions related to DHA eligibility certificate, or license transfer to MOH, or DOH Health Ministry. Do not forget to watch many of our videos made for healthcare professionals. Hopefully, you may have liked this video, then, do not forget to hit the like button. Share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day, bye.